All right, hello face, you absolutely crushed this one. This is gonna be the full red light therapy for hair growth, and this is the cap version, and this thing is awesome. So as we straighten you out just a little bit, I wanna let you guys know, this thing is sweet. I'm trying to keep this full head of hair going and going. Might have to give this to my cousin because he's losing his hair, but this thing is awesome. As far as the setup and as far as the instructions on this, is really straightforward. For someone like myself who does not like to read instructions, they make it very easy. Of course, you have your card, you have your manual, but let's get right into it. So there's two different ways to use it. You can plug it in, it's USB or to USB-C, or plug it in the USB-C to your mount. And of course, we're gonna keep that charged so you keep it on. So pretty simple. We're gonna go ahead and put it on. What you're gonna do is just hold it down, just like that, and you'll see it's on. Ooh. And it also doesn't even look that bad. So let's just say you're hanging out or you're moving around. You guys, this thing is awesome. Now let's go ahead and change it up. Let's do pulse 10, which you'll see. Oh, let's go this way. Pulse 10. Go ahead and press it once. That's gonna give you pulse 10. Pulse 40, a little bit of a different one, right? So there are two different motions to this. And again, the cap is actually just really cool looking as well. Let's just say you're hanging out, chilling, relaxing. This is gonna be your go-to. Also, the cool part about this is just easy to wear. Normally, let's just say in a normal size hat, I'm 7 1/4, and this fits me honestly more than perfect, which I think is actually really cool. So hello face, you absolutely crush the light therapy system. I think it looks really cool. You can even wear it down. Where's my mirror, right? I think it looks kind of rad. You don't even really get to see the too much of the bright red lights inside, which I think is awesome. Now, back over to the normal. Not gonna go anywhere. So if you guys are looking for a full health and wellness on your light therapy system for your hair, this is gonna be your go-to. Would I recommend it? 100%. This thing is awesome. And again, it looks really cool. Even holding your remote, looks like you're just hanging out. So this thing is awesome.